Project Management and Action Plan Template in Excel. The worksheet for managing projects and action plans in Excel was developed especially for monitoring less complex projects which do not require management through software. Track as many projects as you want in one easy-to-use dashboard. All information is generated from a table containing action plans for each project. One of the advantages of the Excel spreadsheet is that it makes it possible to share information about resources between projects, both individuals and teams, simplifying changes and modifications. The worksheet contains the following features. Project registration. This module was designed so that you can register all your projects. Here you can register all the basic data of your project such as project name, responsible, contact information, area, assigned budget. Recording of action plans. Here you record all the action plans corresponding to each project recorded on the previous sheet. Action plans are the sub-activities that must be carried out to complete the project. To record an action plan, simply select the project ID, record the name of the action, the person responsible for the project, the start and end dates, the percentage of progress and the actual date of completion when applicable. General Project Report. In this module you can view a summary of the main indicators for each project. The report shows the following variables: number of project, percentage of completion, number of activities and percentage of performance, number of project by areas. Defined projects, areas, start and end dates and performance. Project Dashboard. In the dashboard section you can see the percentage of progress of each recorded project, the overall percentage of progress, the overall performance of projects and activities, the number of projects and the percentage of progress by area or department, and a Gantt chart with the respective progress of each project. Template available from Solus Enterprises. Visit our site at n.solusenterprisesstore.com.